Interesting appendage up there. Definitely probably not a funnel. It's not even attached to a big enough base. Came up to just south of Artesia, southwest of town, on the side road, but probably gonna just call it a chase, call it a day. Maybe go to Walmart or something back in Carlsbad, because storms have died over here. Del City and Guadalupe Mountains to the southwest a couple hours has good lightning, and then along the state line, New Mexico and Texas on the east side by the armpit of Texas, by Kermit and Jaw, there's some storms, but in this area along the 285 corridor, things have quieted down. Got a couple bug bites.